Sir, we will start. Might be they will come late, or might be she will not come today. So
Yes.
today, the Excels, we already know that when the computation we have to perform any type of, so then we use the Excel. And
Yes.
basic, we will cover the fundamentals, how the workbooks will look like, and how we will say. We know that normal we when we use Excel, we always save our data in the form of rows and columns, basically.
Yes.
So again, the tables we will make on the column basis, then we filter the data, and as well as we can apply number of computation as per our requirement. So
Yes.
first of all, we will go with the Excel fundamental. So, okay, sir, can you share your screen with the Excel?
Uh, so I have to open Excel.
Sir, you open Excel.
Just. Just a blank workbook.
Yes, sir, blank no. Okay, sir. So you share, sir?
Just a sec.
Okay, sir. Give me 1 minute. After that, you share. First, we will discuss what is ribbon. So on the
Yes.
top of that, the where the all the icons, so home, insert, formula, whatever is written is coming. That is called a ribbon. I will show with from your Excel, and then formula bar show the edit exact content of the formula, where we can write what we want to insert. And then the name box display the active cell. When we click on that, it display the active cell name. Then sheet tab, because we have a multiple sheet in the bottom, sir. We have a
Yeah.
one sheet, second sheet, then quick access to toolbar. Shortcuts have, we have a save, undo, redo, these type of on the top of the toolbars. Then status bar, like whatever we are performing some average count, anything. Okay. So main
Yes.
thing here is a ribbon, that is then formula bar. Name box, when we click on any columns, it will show what it is. Then the sheet tab.
Yeah.
So we can work at a one moment on a one sheet. Even we can start combining number of sheets and start making whatever is present there. We can use a VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP to solve the queries. Then workbook and worksheets, the entire Excel file, a container. Okay, the whole workbook. When we are going to save, it become. Do you know? As we save the Word file as a doc file, the different language IPYNB for the Pythons. Similar for this, we have a XLSX as a extension. Then single grid of cell is organized in row and column, that we already know. Sheet size is by default is this one, and that we not need not to remember. So basically what we can do in a sheet, we can insert, delete, rename the data, move, copy, paste. Then we can also use a color text, we can apply a formulas and computation. Basically what we want to do from Excel, we can want to make a computations, and basis on that even we can plot a charts.
Yeah.
So that it is visually very appealing, and we can express our result in that form. Then grouping of sheets, select the multiple tabs to edit or format them simultaneously. Then data types is number, integer, decimal, right aligned by default. Text we have, date and time we have, boolean, true and false, currency and percentage, error values. And error values are very normal. When we are going to insert, sometime if any number is 10 digits, let's suppose, but the column which we have picked is very less, so it start even giving a hash there instead of putting a number. So when we just increase the width of that, it start giving the value. And sometime what happen, we apply some formula, and let's suppose there is a marks of students and we want to convert 100 to a 50 marks. So I just divide the number by a 2. So it will convert 100 to a 50. But let's suppose some students are absent during that time, and in that sheet I have put AB for a absent.
Yeah.
In that particular situation, what will happen when the A divided by 2 will happen? So it will give us this type of value error, something values, because if something is divided by 0, it gives this value. So these
Yeah.
type of issues will appear at the moment.
Okay. Okay.
Then how to refer to a cell? We actually, every cells are like this. When the Excel will come out, what will happen? So this is a one cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell. So we can click on a particular cell and it will highlight, and on the basis of that we can apply any formula on the top of that when we press any cell. So that is activated. We can write on the top when it will appear. We can start writing any formula here. Even we can insert any values here. So next is range reference. Block range is I want to do addition of this is my let's suppose this is my C1, this is my C2, this is my C3. I want to do addition of these ones. So this is only one way. What I can do here in top of that, C1 plus C2. Second,
Yeah.
what I can put my mouse here and start scrolling till the time it will cover all the columns where I want to compute. So at
Yeah.
that time we can go a range reference. So that
Right.
means it will start from this column and it will go to, let's suppose, till 10 columns. So it
Yeah.
automatically select the range.
Okay.
Then we have a name box navigation. Type any cell or range address on the jump straight. We can put that we discuss. 3D references we can use. We have a number of sheets from there we can do. Then external references, we can pull a data from another workbook. That is when we start doing, we will do that. Relative versus absolute references. Anyone joined us? No.
No. Yeah.
I don't believe today might be, they will not be there. Then relative A1 is shift automatically when the formula copy to a new cell. Absolute is stay fixed. When the values stay fixed, it is like this way. So dollar symbol, then whatever the value, then end of that. Then column lock, when we want to lock that column so that value can't be changed, we put a dollar symbol, then that column name. Similar, when we want to lock a row, it is opposite. When you put a column, you have to put a dollar in the front. When it is a row, you have to put it in the back end. That we need to keep in just mind. And we can use a mixed type as well as we did in this case. And F4 key cycle selected references. So these are the shortcuts that we can use. Formatting a cell that we already know. Number formatting, we have to choose a currency. Like what type of currency in every column, what we want to do at that moment. One second, sir.
Number. Yeah. Jack.
Okay. So I just
Hello.
hello.
ma'am. I'm audible?
Yes, Ankur sir, you are audible. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Today is your actually this is your day. You have to explain today.
I,
It is a Excel. You are continuously working on Excel in your job now. So even you are better in this.
no, ma'am. I'm not better than you.
No,
You
no,
have
no.
the
No,
10 years
we
to
should
20
have.
years of 10 years of experience.
Sorry, sir.
You have a 10 years of experience in this field now. So how can
No,
I am
no,
better?
it's no, sir. It's not like that. Let's suppose you know the quantum, and I just learned right now the quantum. Hai na? So if you have a like not a that way, might be you learned something different way. So when the new guys are learning, na, it is a more some new innovations is there always. I think Ankit sir is agree with me in this point. Nowadays,
Yes.
we have a
Yes,
more
ma'am.
technological things now. So, but the thing is like all the time now, even my family sometimes get fed up. Now you are studying all the time. Why? And it become my hobby. But they feel very like why should you know? All the time you have a books in your hands or something. Now they say why the laptop all the time in your hand. So we are a number format. In a number format, whatever the currency we will choose, we have to go with that. Even sometimes we have a percentile value, like we are representing, let's suppose some computation, we required only a 1 digit, 2 digit, we have to define in the top of that, these values will come. So we are just, Ankur sir, we are just discussing what are the in the Excel main things. Then sir has already opened, we start implementing the things in the sheet, okay? We will just finish today
Okay,
early
ma'am.
because this is the easy portion. Font and fill, only the thing I love to do, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. That we have to take care.
And ma'am,
Because
there is
that
also one of that X lookup too is there.
XLOOKUP also after this one. That we have already in this one. So then conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a good aspect. Why? Because it auto highlights the cell that meet a rule, like color scale, icon set, data bars we will set. Even conditional formatting will helpful when we want to uh, let's suppose that some project is with us and we have to highlight which city, something like we have to give a condition basis on that, so we can easily segregate the data, like we can easily divide the data and see what is present there and how we can move on. Then format painter, that I think you already applied that in a Word also. We want to copy the same thing and same color format, whatever is there. If we copy, click on that one, it is going to paste in the next thing as it is. Okay, cell style, pre-build, reusable formatting, themes applied consistently. So we these things we can apply immediately. Now just give me one second. We will see Excel table. Okay, so we can insert a table, auto expand the table, structure references we already discussed, built-in filter, short, total row that we will do right now. Name range, define a name. Okay, this you know already. Use a formula that you guys have applied this one, no? Like any formula.
Yes, some sales data
Yeah,
are available.
yeah,
Oh,
so
yeah, not really.
Okay, then
Yes.
name manager, central place to view, edit and delete any range. Scope, name can apply to the whole workbook. White matters. Okay, this I am just
but
going very fast because we have to implement.
okay, ma'am. But I have to ask that in this model we have VBA too. Means how to VBA.
Sorry, sir, what do we have?
VBA.
I think Sir has put in that. I have not seen the whole PPT, but every important thing they have added. If it is
Okay,
not, I will cover tomorrow. Whatever is pending now, I will cover by myself. Na? Don't
okay.
worry about. So let me know if anything will be pending. That's why today we will complete fast. Even tomorrow we will complete within the first half. And if something is pending, let me know. We will do at the same time. Okay, then we have a shortcuts that we already know. Control C, we copy, Control V, we paste, and undo Control Z we use. And redo, similar, Control arrow, jump the last use cell in that direction. Okay, these things I think you just read once. We don't need to, we will do that. You guys have applied the shortcut number of times or not?
Yeah, may not be all, but some shortcuts we apply.
Oh yes, ma'am. I have applied
What,
control
what,
C.
what is the most important? These three, the first three we always do all the day. Na?
That we know the first one.
That we know. Any else
And
that you apply every day?
control T for transform the table.
Control D for below transform.
And there is also that
And any another?
Control D, copy paste. Function keys as edit the active cell in F4 repeat last action sometime. Control plus one never applied, I think. Control
Open
plus
format cell dialogues and nothing
dialog.
else. We will apply now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, importing, you know now how to import a data we have on the top. We will just any CSV file tab web data we can import. Then text to column, split one column to data. Okay, have sir, I think you did this number of time when you have a split one column to delimiter text into multiple column. Have you done this one? Let's suppose we have a CSV file, na? So we have a delimiters there. So we have to now make a separate row from that data. Have you applied those things ever?
Yes, ma'am. Adding the extra column now. Yes.
Adding the
Yes,
extra
yes.
column.
Extra column.
Extra column.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay, sir, we will just do right. Okay, once again. Refresh connections, Power Query import, stay linked. This you have done, sir?
Yes, link to
Ankur, sir,
refresh.
you have done this?
Yes, ma'am. The
Query
data.
transformer, clean, filter, reshape data, these all.
Yes.
Why it matters, starting point of every real world analytics. That's why it is important. That is a okay. Now, whatever we have covered in the first, we will going to cover that right now. Okay, sir, who is going to open? I will open or any one of you will open?
Ma'am, it's better if you hope.
Okay, okay.
I open this Excel in separate, unable to share.
Don't worry, sir. I will share.
Ma'am, did you give any Excel file?
No, 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 sir. Just right now because it is just an introduction how it is visible. So in the second one, now we are when we look up or H look up, then I will share something with you also.
And Excel is just like an ocean. So
Sir,
many.
it is very important if you have
Yeah,
like good command on that. Many people, even sir is working as a data analyst still. Even sir, when I was in Canada, I was surprised. Many of the companies they don't work on the SQL. Still, they are using SQL.
Yes, ma'am.
My friends
Actually,
were there, and in Germany is the same. These countries still seriously lagging. Japan is very high in technology, but these
yeah.
companies they are very lagging. They still work on Excel
ma'am,
right now.
I think for me, Excel is just the main important tool. Means for all. It's not
Ah,
for the data analyst, but I think that even for data analyst, Excel should you have to perfect that Excel. Even though I
first,
doesn't
Excel,
master
if
Excel yet.
you have an Excel, sir, then the SQL will come into a picture. Na? If you have a
Yeah.
good command on Excel, na, how it will
Yes.
go? Still, many startup companies use this one.
Mm.
Still, they are in India. They are even sir is working there somewhere. Na? They are using the same Excel and then Power BI.
Mostly, ma'am, consultant and mostly financial related, still working on this same Power BI and Excel and that Microsoft Fabric too.
Sir, I was you applied for any another you try to switch from this company at any time?
Not right now. Means it's around 4 months.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, okay.
so means still
No,
I
no,
am
just
searching.
but from your friends or someone you got a reference there are many companies still they hire basis on Excel and a Power
Yes,
BI.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is with a just 1 or 2 year experience you will switch and still there are many companies that just hire on basis of the Excel and Power BI you have.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, actually, my goal is to means to get into the data science or AI related field.
No,
Means,
no, that's a good, sir. What we are just discussing, still in the market,
yes,
there
ma'am.
is a role that is the pay is less nowadays. Earlier, they are paying so much for this thing, but
Hmm.
nowadays, the pay is less for that particular thing. Na?
Ma'am,
Earlier, the
nowadays,
people who have a Power BI in their hands, they're getting a good salary.
yes,
Even
ma'am.
they are getting the same salary, but now I was scrolling Insta and there was a one reel coming. What we say whatever earlier 30,000 right now if anyone is earning a 1 lakh it is equal.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
money value is depreciated now because there are so many uh, every time the price is up for anything whatever
And
when we go to a market so every price is changed a lot now.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think right now market is on is not that for high paying job. It's just that you have to get that job. That's it. If you are dreaming about that high paying job now, I might be it's getting more tough because it's not easy to get the job too.
Sir.
This is the
Nowadays
situation.
right you are very right sir at this time.
This is this is because I am not getting the interview call too. I am applying around 50 to 60, even to 100 plus, but still I am getting that 1 to 2, even though still not responding.
Even sir most of the companies hire na internally. internally, like they have a links already, na. So they ask first their internal employees for references basis. So references work a lot in the foreign countries. They only like 80% they hire through reference only, because they believe still in that way. Nowadays, in many platform we have Indeed, Naukri.com, and even this what we say LinkedIn. People don't hire too much. They post so many things there, but you never get a response from there. And but I am very opposite person. You can't believe. I just apply after 8 years I apply for the second job, and I am very selective when I apply. I'm very, very selective where I want to apply. Just I apply there, and you should be very focused where you want to go. What I
Mm,
believe, you have to be very clear what type of things you need at a moment.
mm.
Just don't waste your energy for many things.
Yes, ma'am.
Put just your focus there, and yeah, if you have a free time instead of scrolling Insta or something, then apply multiple jobs. Na? Might be if anything is click, that is good idea. Na?
And as you mentioned that Insta, I have search on Insta that how to apply the through cloud with auto apply. Means there doesn't we have to apply that manually. It's getting auto
There
apply.
is nowadays, I think automation is there, no? They will apply automatically for you. They will tailor your CV as per the requirement of the
Mm,
particular job description and JD, what we say that.
yes, ma'am. And they actually I have that's what's on that they uses that N10 agent and resume. Just you have to put that JD and the through the agent. Your resume will be look like that JD description means most of the part
They will tailor automatically.
automatically.
But the thing is, still we need to read that now. Something extraordinary they
Yes,
will
ma'am.
put and the
Yes,
people will ask. That take a lot of time still, na? When we format or something we do.
yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm good. Good morning.
Good morning. We are just thinking you are just traveling to your in-laws house. And on top of
Yes,
that,
I would
you
like
always on time,
to
na?
start the video call, ma'am. Just see me. You will
Uh,
get the situation.
okay.
See how am I like this,
Oh,
and I have to do this much gungat. So this is not
oh,
possible
I
for
can't,
me.
I can't believe so. But it's a good idea. It's don't take me wrong, but I am that kind of girl.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
No, but it is a good idea, na? But I
Mm-hmm.
believe one thing is where you go, you have to be like that. I believe
Yes.
these words a lot. Like if I am whatever the place I am, na, I
Yeah.
always try to wear that type of attire. That is a good idea, ma'am. Like if your in-laws, as a respect, they want to be, but I feel like giving a gungat is not a solution to anything. It is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
difficult
But
for as a girl na, to
they
walk or
believe that
something.
this is tradition and we have to follow. So like this only.
I can
So
understand. And when you come back to Mumbai, you feel very relaxed. Sorry, out of topic, guys. But both the
okay,
Ankush sir
ma'am.
and then Kesar, what is happening now in the class?
Okay,
Oh,
ma'am. Now please continue the class.
um,
I'll be there till
um,
1.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
ma'am. Okay.
Ankush sir, what is the ribbon here in the Excel? Excel file is visible to you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So where is the ribbon? Now tell me.
Ribbon and start.
Okay, means you have to insert that now file.
No, no, just I want to know. There is a one word ribbon in the Excel. Tell me where is the name of the file. The minimum things we need to know. Hai na? So this is called a ribbon, this line where the file, home, insert,
Yeah.
draw, paste, this is a formula bars we have always. Okay. When I highlight this, suppose I highlight this, these are the cells.
Cell,
This
huh?
is the first
Cell.
cell. This is the second cell. This is a name corresponding to that. So first will come the column name, then their corresponding to row number.
Row
So
number, yeah.
A1, then B1, then B3. So you have to do like that. So B3. So we have a C5, then we have a D7. So you have to be when what I want to say here. So when we click on a particular cell, it will highlight it is information. Here you can insert anything, any formula here. Like I want to do sum of 4 and 6, it will show the result here. So this is how here, this is the area where you can write a formula. So that is a particular thing. We can use a delete button. It will delete the content. And this is our file name. By default, this is book. We can rename a file name. So we can rename a file name, or we can save as. These are the few things that we need to keep. Okay, so this is the number sheet one. We can make a multiple sheet. We just need to click on the add button in the bottom. So we can add a multiple sheets and store our content. Next thing is, so this sheet will act as a, what we guys call this as workbook, or in this workbook, what we have, it is basically, this is a table, nothing else. So let's suppose I want to insert 4 or 5 component. So I will just highlight this. I want to make 3 rows, 5 columns. So I will just make a table, go to table, I will highlight this. So now this is my area from where I want to work. So I can give a column name here, like a serial number, whatever we have to give. Then here I will give a employee name. Okay, whatever the name you want to give here, you can give. Now this is what the width is less, so we have to adjust. So we can adjust here directly by clicking on that one. Oh, sorry. Okay, that you can use. Second, then let's salary of the employee. So here you can even give an employee number, employee ID. So I will use here E102. Here any name. So these are my content here is coming, and anything we can write here, anything. So I want to write something else. I'm just giving any number. Oh, 1004. Okay, sir. We'll write again 2.5. We're just writing some numbers here. We don't know about anyone's salary or something. So this is the way.
Never get that. Okay.
This is the way. We hope everyone have monthly this much, minimum. More than this one. I think 4 lakhs should be there.
Ma'am,
No,
in
ma'am.
this market, it is possible to get this salary.
No, ma'am. Currently, no. Earlier,
Indian
I was.
market is easy
this
sir, to get,
market.
Ankur sir. Easy or not?
It's definitely, ma'am. It's not easy. I'm telling you, be honest, because if somehow we can get remote jobs now, means it's US or something, so we can get that salary that much. But I don't think so. It's India in this much possible, even though.
Oh, sir, in the fresher it is not, but as Angesar is in
As a experience, yes.
with the experience. And
With the
always
experience
open
I
to
worked,
do.
ma'am, that Arcom, Reliance Communication, about to close. Because earlier I have worked more than 1.5 lakh I got monthly. But
Oh.
later it has gone. Currently, no.
So it is even in Mumbai city, it is difficult to get that salary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, situation is not that much good.
So that is
Telecom
that
trade
is the
also.
thing.
Yeah.
You don't get exposure in your country. That's why people leave. Na? They said brain drain is happening. So at the last, you will get a good environment, everything. Na? That's why we leave our countries. Na? So, and this is one of the truth that I know, because I personally lived right now continuously 3 years. Earlier, I just go for 1 week, 1 month max to max. So even it's very difficult for me. Even I came in Chandigarh, I was telling that it's very difficult for me to live in this area right now because of the weather, everything. Na, it is, salary is one thing. Second is you need all the time. You should need a good environment to live.
Yes.
So that is not healthy. Like so many disease, everything. And if you go to foreign, they don't give you a medicine easily. First of all, they will treat your body like as a something that is very important. If we go to doctor here, they will immediately admit us, and we are like, and we spend lakhs in 2-3 days. Na? So there are many things. Okay. If the sir is going to listen today na video, he is like, ma'am, why you are go too much out of topic?
No, that's
Okay.
also required, ma'am.
So what we put here, but what I suggest you guys, do something freelancing. start doing a freelancing job along with that to boom your career opportunities. Na?
Ma'am, if there is any good website for doing freelancing, because there is one website, Fiverr. I think Fiverr is also that much saturated. I think. Do you know any
Which
website?
ones? Which websites? Sir?
Fiverr. That Fiverr is there for freelancing.
Can you send a name? I just don't understand the fiber.
Fiverr,
Cyber, you're
Fiverr.
Fiber. He's saying I never came across that.
Uh,
fiber or cyber?
Not Fiverr.
Fiber.
Fiber.
Sir will type a name. Sir will type a name.
FIBER, right? F for phone.
Yes, ma'am. I will just
Okay,
send
fiber
the link.
network. Oh, my career was also in that only, international communication,
No,
submarine cable.
this one.
Yeah.
I have sent it to the link.
Yeah,
Fiber. Okay, fiber.
fiber.
Okay.
Fiber.
Ah,
Okay, it is different. Fiber is different. Okay,
fiber is different.
okay.
Okay, so like this we have the cells. So and we can make a table and that of that. If let's suppose here instead of this number, I will just give here something like this type of number, numerical value. So we can even filter our data. Even we can do on the numerical ones what we want to see. 3,000. So now I want to do addition of a salary of all the employees. Let's we put here some another name. So Ankur sir. So we want to do the addition of those things here. No? So what I can do, one thing is I can now I want to apply, I want to do addition of all the persons. I will directly use a formula here. We start writing, so it will start come the formulas. I can click on that one, and now it start asking me what the things will come. So I will do, because I want continuously these value, I will click on my first cell. I put a control and then the down button we have. I will select all these one. So then I will close a bracket. Then I will put a enter. So this will come the sum of all the employees. Let's suppose